Hello everyone, my name is Maria and I'm 20 years old. Today I'd like to tell you about my family. My family is very special to me, and I love them a lot. First, I will tell you about my mother. Her name is Anna, and she is very kind. She makes the best cookies. When I was a child, she always made cookies for me after school. We would eat them together and talk about my day. Next, I want to tell you about my father. His name is John, and he is strong and brave. He works as a firefighter and helps people every day. I'm very proud of him. When I was little, he used to read me stories before bed. I loved those stories. Now, let me tell you about my brother Alex. He is 18 years old, funny, and smart. We love playing video games together. Sometimes he wins, sometimes I win, but we always have fun. I also have a sister, Lily, who is 16 years old. She loves to dance, and every evening she practices in our living room. She's very good, and one day she wants to be a famous dancer. I believe she can do it. We also have a pet dog named Max. Max is very playful and loves running in the park. Every Sunday, we take Max to the park for family time. We play with him and have a picnic. One time, we went to the beach on a sunny day. It was a perfect day. We played in the sand and swam in the sea. My mother built a big sand castle, while my father took pictures. Alex and I collected shells, Lily danced by the shore, and Max chased the waves. We all laughed a lot, and it was a day to remember. But not all days are happy. Sometimes we have sad times too. Last year, my grandfather passed away. He was very special to us, and we all loved him dearly. He used to tell us stories about his childhood. When he died, we were very sad, but remembering the happy times with him helped us feel better. Another tough time was when Alex broke his leg while playing soccer. He fell and had to stay in bed for weeks. We all took care of him. I read him books, Lily brought him his favorite snacks, and our parents made sure he was comfortable. It was a difficult time, but it made us closer. We also have some fun times to share. Every Christmas, we have a big celebration with lights, ornaments, and a special cake my mom bakes. We exchange gifts, and one year, Alex gave me a beautiful bracelet. I was so happy. I gave him a new video game that he loved. On birthdays, we have parties. For my birthday last year, we went to an amusement park. We rode all the rides, and my favorite was the roller coaster. It was so exciting. We ate cotton candy and popcorn, and at the end of the day, we watched fireworks. It was the best birthday ever. We also enjoy quiet times together, like watching movies in the evening. We snuggle under blankets, make popcorn, and laugh at funny scenes or get scared during the scary parts. It's simple, but special. I love my family very much. We are always there for each other, sharing both our happy and sad times. We laugh together, cry together, and support each other. We're a team. Thank you for listening to my story about my family. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, family is very important. They are always there for you through good times and bad times. I'll share more stories with you next time. Goodbye, friends. Take care and love your family. Hi, my name is Eva, and I'm also 20 years old. I live with my mom, dad, and little brother. My mom's name is Laura. She is very kind and loves to cook. My dad's name is John. He is very funny and tells great stories. My brother is 10 years old, and his name is David. He loves playing soccer. Every morning, we have breakfast together. My mom makes delicious pancakes, and we talk and laugh a lot. After breakfast, my dad goes to work as a doctor, and my mom stays home to take care of the house. I go to university to study English because I love learning new words. David goes to school. He's in 5th grade and likes math and science. In the afternoons, I help my mom with chores. We clean the house and water the plants. Sometimes we bake cookies together. When David comes home from school at 3 o'clock, he always has many stories to tell. On weekends, we do fun things together. We go to the park for picnics, and David and I play soccer. My dad is really good at soccer and likes to join us. My mom enjoys reading a book under a tree. Sometimes we go to the beach, where we build sand castles and swim in the sea. Our family has a pet dog named Max. He's very playful and loves running around the yard. David and I take him for walks, and Max likes to chase squirrels. One day Max got sick, and we were all worried. My dad took him to the vet, and after taking medicine and lots of care, Max got better. We were so happy when he started running again. My grandparents live in another city, and we visit them during holidays. My grandma makes the best apple pie, and my grandpa tells interesting stories about when he was young. We love spending time with them. During Christmas, we decorate our house with a big Christmas tree. David and I hang the ornaments while my mom and dad put the lights on. On Christmas Eve, we open presents, sing songs, and have a big dinner. Last year, something exciting happened. My aunt had a baby, and his name is Leo. He's so cute, and we love playing with him. My mom says he looks just like my dad when he was a baby. Sometimes we have disagreements. David and I argue about toys, and my mom and dad might argue about small things. But we always make up, say sorry, and hug each other. We know we love each other very much. One of my favorite family traditions is Sunday dinner. Every Sunday, we have a big meal together. My mom makes roast chicken and vegetables. We talk about our week and share our stories. It's a very special time for us. One Sunday, my dad tried to cook dinner as a surprise for my mom, but he burned the chicken. The kitchen was full of smoke, and we all laughed so much. My mom took over and saved the dinner. My best memory is from our trip to the mountains. We went hiking and saw beautiful views. At night, we sat around a campfire, and my dad told us scary stories. We roasted marshmallows and made s'mores. It was a perfect trip. Even though we have good times and bad times, we always stick together. My family is very important to me because they support me and make me feel loved. I'm very lucky to have them. One day, I hope to travel the world with my family. We want to see new places and try new foods. My dream is to visit Paris, where my mom wants to see the Eiffel Tower. My dad wants to try French food, and David wants to go to Disneyland. I love my family very much. They make my life special. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time, and if you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care and love your family.